a leading Michigan-based dental care network serving thousands of patients across multiple clinics with dentists, hygienists, and comprehensive care teams. Their legacy systems only showed high-level dentist productivity, with zero visibility into hygienists' procedures or what actually drives performance. With Lumenore, they unified their clinical and operational data like procedures, scheduling, production, and provider performance into one powerful analytics platform. Now they have comprehensive dashboards showing dentist and hygienist productivity, procedure trends, utilization rates, and benchmarks across all clinics. AI automatically surfaces efficiency patterns and growth opportunities, and with conversational analytics, clinic managers explore data themselves without any dependencies. This resulted in complete elimination of manual Excel reporting, enabled end-to-end visibility, and faster, data-backed decisions for better patient care. Transform your healthcare analytics with Lumenore. Visit luminore.com to see how.